we'll be climbing hills.
Okay.
About 350 feet. So let's take our time.
Take our time.
Yeah.
So the whole journey.
Then we also have rest points. When you are tired, you let me know. Then we take a short break.
No one is going to be tired.
Okay.
We're just going to run up the hill,
I don't have any
climb it,
problem.
and run back down the hill.
Okay.
Family, here's the brave soldiers that have made it.
I'm loving this trail.
Yeah, I'm telling you.
Sharon, you be careful with your ankle, okay?
For those who missed the morning exercise,
This is it.
Yeah.
You're gonna make it up here. This is bamboo? Wow, this is a big bamboo.
Yes. It is bamboo.
So yes, family, showing you the nice of the trek.
If you're feeling it already, you need more exercise in your life.
Nice strong trek. Family, you're gonna love this this hike up to the Canopy walk. You gotta maintain strong legs.
Yeah.
So by this time, if you've been working out with Miss Pep and Natasha,
You can walk backwards over
you
the
should be
pebbles.
ready to go, because what they've been doing is getting you prepped for this long hike. All right, so far it's been feeling good. We're about to come to our first rest stop. Yeah, first a quick little rest stop, so everybody can get a breather. All right, how you feeling so far?
Feeling good.
We got about 20 more of those to go.
Here's a word.
Oh, we're feeling good. We got about 20 more of those to go. Can you do it, everybody?
Do it.
20 more to go. Once you keep going, don't stop.
We take a minute break.
Catch your breath. There you go.
Inhale.
Exhale.
Exhale. Inhale.
As you can see, everybody got their workout shoes. Breathe easy.
You okay? Yes. It's okay. You take a break.
I'm so proud of you. You've been a real trooper.
For me?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Don't wait for me.
Yeah, we gotta wait for you.
We waiting for everybody.
Yeah, waiting for everybody.
This is not on video, right?
Yes, it's on video.
It's gonna be now. Nadia.
How about Shim?
Yes, my sister. So you need some morning exercise and meditation.
I know that.
Okay, and so a nice big bottle of water.
Take a break, Nadia. No, everybody else got a little break.
Trucking. And we trekking back up. Trekking and trekking.
Places that have entry fees supposed to fees, they won't post them because they're putting money in their pocket. That's why they're not posted. The fees aren't posted. Well, there's a brochure or a pocket. You don't see any fees posted. That's why they do that. Charge what they want. And it's safe as 30.
Yes, Russ Marvin, you're holding tight.
Yeah, man. Let's make the trad, you know?
We've done all kind of things.
Yes, sir.
You ever thought you'd be treading up the mountains to get on the Canopy walk?
Boy, I visioned it before, but I'm really glad to experience it now.
All right, so it's our next rest stop right here. All right, everybody, hold and wait for everybody. The folks at the top, please hold. Let everybody catch up. Natasha, you're rolling along. Can you wait for everybody? Just hold and catch your breath. And then we're going to wait for
Anybody want a seat?
the 1 or 2 that's down there. Right, sis, how you feeling? How long you been coming to Canopy Walkway? Or I should say the Kakum National Forest.
3 years.
So you like the hike?
Yeah, we've not yet started.
Not
But-
yet started.
But energy, I get some energy right full up.
All right, do we have anybody else on the left?
Yeah.
So family, remember, when you're ready to journey with us next year, make sure you are in top shape. Or you're gonna be one of the last ones left on the back, in the background on the battlefield. You can do it. One trick at a time. Cobra, hold her, throw up on your back, Cobra. Throw up on your back.
Come on, Nadia. Take your